story goes, little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey ONESMARTFROs, it's me, Gina Marie, and in this video, it is that time I'm straightening my hair. Now, before we get into this video, if you have not joined our SmartFro family, make sure you hit the subscription button as well as the notification button so you don't miss out on any uploads. And yes, let's get into this video. So I shampooed my hair. I used the Redken All Soft shampoo and the Redken All Soft conditioner. In my last straightening video that I did, well, it was just me telling you guys what I did. These were the shampoos that I used. I got the bigger conditioner because you guys know I do my detangling routine. Ooh, and because I am straightening my hair, I wanted to make sure I thoroughly detangled, and the travel size conditioner wasn't going to be enough. So I went ahead and I got the bigger bottle, and then I got the travel size shampoo because I don't need the shampoo. Now the reason why I'm using these shampoos and not just any regular shampoo is because these are kind of like straightening shampoos. They contain like silicones and stuff in them which help kind of weigh your hair down and prevent your hair from frizzing and things like that when it comes to shampooing your hair. You can definitely tell the difference when you use these shampoos versus the regular shampoos that I use. And then I went in with the Aljoa Beauty Biomint Deep Conditioner. This is all my favorite deep conditioner, and this deep conditioner is perfect because it has a little protein in it, but it is still a very moisturizing deep conditioner. So the Redken 5th Avenue Frizz Dismiss Instant Deflate. It is also a heat protectant, and it protects your hair up to 447 degrees Fahrenheit. And so I'm just going to use this to, I'm going to work with small sections at a time, but I'm going to spray all this in this one section. Oh, it's kind of like a serum. I thought it was going to be like a spray. So I'm going to apply that all throughout. So now I'm just going to blow dry my hair. I am going to blow dry my hair on high heat and high speed because I'm trying to get my hair as straight as possible during the blow drying process. So that's less heat I have to use when it comes to flat ironing my hair. No, I'm not worried about heat damage. Should I be? I don't know. But I only straighten my hair once a year and my hair is pretty healthy, so I'm sure I'm gonna be fine. So yeah.
I wasn't clear. No, it hurt you, but I still care. No, I miss you laying near. Did you wrong and it wasn't fair. If I could go back, then I would treat you better. If I could just change my words like in a letter. I did some things, but I wasn't clear. No, I did it wrong and you did it right. Yeah, that's what you said when you started the fight. To an end, I put up this fence. But do you really mean that this is the end? 1, 2, 3 years of silence. Then 4, 5, 6, still nothing. When my hair gets gray and I lose my shape, I'd still be missing you. Year by year, out of silence. No, a face that you were just dramatic, that we still could be good, that our love is elastic. I'll make this right if you give me a chance. Oh, I did it wrong and you did it right. Yeah, that's what you said when you started the fight. We came to an end, I put up this fence. But do you really mean that this is the end? 1, 2, 3 years of silence. In my plan, just you, just you. I I did it wrong and you did it right. Yeah, that's what you said when you started the fight. We came to an end, I put up this fence. But do you really mean that this is the end? 1, 2, 3 years of silence. Then 4, 5, 6, still nothing. When my hair gets gray and I lose my shape, I'd still be missing you. Year by year, out of silence. No. 1, 2, 3 years of silence. Years of silence. Then 4, 5, 6, still nothing. Still nothing. When my hair gets gray and I lose my shape, I'd still be missing you. Year by year, out of silence. No. I see you in my thoughts and in my dreams. When I'm awake, you're almost next to me. When we're apart, I'm longing for your face. I need you here, I'm feeling out of place. My heart is yours, I'm giving it to you. No matter what, I always will be true. Next time you're here, I'll never let you go. You're everything I ever need and more. So let's flesh attend to flesh, come alive. The earth is crying sweet. Take whatever that you want, you are free. The moonlight's whispering.
So you really made it to the end of the video. You the real MVP. But because you made it to the end of the video, I know you like my content. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my other uploads. Also, make sure you check out these other 2 videos that I posted on my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching.